Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nyechi Chiemela. I'm a skincare enthusiast and a public health lover. So here on my channel, I review skincare products just in case you're new, and I talk about all things concerning beauty and a whole lot more you should not want to miss. So consider subscribing down below and giving the video a thumbs up. Okay, that intro was just whew. Now for today's video, I will be talking about skincare products for a glowing melanin dark skin. I don't know where I got that from, but skincare products that a dark skin person can use. I have talked so much about fair skinned people and products to use if you're a fair skinned person and what not to use and all these things, and I think it's high time I talk about skincare products for dark skinned people. Yes, so make sure you grab yourself a bucket of popcorn and get yourself some juice, because I'm going to try so hard to make the video as short as possible, but I need you to be very attentive. Try so hard to listen to all I've got to say, okay? So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video and give this video a thumbs up. It helps your sister to see the video faster. You know what I mean? It's a circle of information. Alright, so let's dive right into. So as a dark skin person, you don't need to bleach your skin. There is no need doing that except you want to lighten up. You need products that will glow your skin, that will moisturize your skin, that will pamper your skin, that will make your skin flawlessly hot. Okay, that is what you need. Like for me, my greatest skincare goal is having my head to toe similar to one complexion, like not having different multiple colors everywhere, which is why we need to fade out discolorations or fade dark spots and have an even toned skin. For me, that is the goal. So if you're a dark skin person, you don't need products that will bleach your skin. You don't need products that will lighten your skin. All you need is to moisturize your skin. All you need is to pamper your skin. All you need is to glow your skin. All you need is to maintain your complexion. That is basically what you need as a dark skin person. So for today's video, I'll be talking about the key ingredients you should look out for, as well as products you should consider purchasing. Now, I'm going to be recommending products for you. Yes, I'll be doing that today on this video. I hope my microphone is making this audible enough for you to hear, because hey, I just came back and I'm diving right into today's video. Like, why waste the time? I have to like keep putting out content for you guys, right? So okay, so the 4 basic ingredients you need in order to maintain your skin as a dark skin person is a body wash or a liquid wash or a bar soap for washing your body, a body lotion, a body scrub, and a body oil, because you need to moisturize your skin, right? Good. We all need to put in that moisture back into our skin. Alright, so moving on to the ingredients you should definitely look out for if you're out purchasing products. Probably you're going to ShopRite, you're going to Roban stores, or any mall of your choice, and you're looking for skincare products if you're a dark skin person. What ingredients do you need to look out for if you're a dark skin person? Like, what should you be checking on your body lotion or body scrub or body wash? What do you need to see to be sure the product is going to work well for you and is specifically targeting your complexion? Now, look out for products that contain cocoa butter, shea butter, mango butter, and coconut oil or coconut butter. So these are ingredients you should look out for if you're out hunting for skincare products for a melanin complexion. Yes, these are what you should look out for. All you want is something that will polish your skin, pamper your skin, and glow your skin. You shouldn't be looking for products that will whiten you or bleach you or lighten you. Yes, because you're not a light skin person like I am. But some of these ingredients I just mentioned, they are also for a fair skin person. Like I've mentioned, mango butter is absolutely perfect for a fair skin person if you're looking for a body butter or a body oil for moisturization and all that. We're not talking about fair skin, girl. We're not talking about fair skin, girl. We're talking about dark people. Like if you're a blackie, yes, blackies are beautiful. When you're a black child, you're popping. Like, black skin is amazing. Black skin complexion is beautiful. Black skin complexion. I hope I'm very much correct with that word. So like I said before, you don't need to bleach your skin. All you need is to have a popping glow. All you need is to have that glow. You know, you're seeing that glow I have right now on my face. Yes, that glow, that is what you need. You need that glow in your body. You need that glow on your skin. You don't need to bleach as a dark skin person. You just need to have that glow. Alright. So right now we're going to move on to product recommendation. What product should you go into the store and see and get to know? Yes, that product is for a dark skin person. We have the Dove coconut body wash. I'm going to leave that picture on the screen. We have the Tree Hot body scrub, which has mango extract in it. Like I said, you should be looking out for products that have mango butter or mango extracts in them. So for body lotions, we have a whole lot of body lotions in the market, ranging from Nivea to Vaseline intensive care and Palmer's cocoa butter body lotion. Palmer's has a whole lot of body lotions in the market. Check them out. There's so many. So look out for products that contain cocoa butter, shea butter. Amazing for a black skin person. When you're a dark skin person and your complexion is popping, you have that glow, that touchy glow on your skin. That is basically what you should be looking out for. I'm not going to sit here and encourage somebody to go and whiten their skin, except that is what you really want. Trust me, if that is what you want, I will not say no to that. I have products in my skincare brand that can help you achieve that. But if you're somebody that is dark skin and you just want to remain the way you are, these are products that are already available over the counter in the market that you can purchase anywhere. In any supermarket or any mall of your choice, you can easily find these products there. They are there. I'm going to leave a lot of pictures on the screen for you to make your choice and for you to choose. And then down on the description box, I'm going to leave quite a long list of body lotions for dark skin people. Body oil, have the Neutrogena body oil. Goodness, that oil is amazing, but it can be a little bit expensive. We also have the Palmer's body oil. I'm going to leave, I think I've reviewed the Palmer's body oil here on my channel. I'm going to leave a link to that video on top, or check it out on my description box down below. And there are so many oils out there. We have the almond oil. Almond oil will not give you pimples if you're worried about having pimples. Argan oil is fantastic. It also doesn't clog your pores. So these are basically oils you can purchase in any normal simple skincare supply store of your choice, and they are very good. They'll give you amazing results. Now Chiemela Skincare, which is my brand, formulating a lot of products right now, but what we still have available are our skin lightening products for fair skin people. Yes, in case you want to purchase. We had a little problem with our shipping and delivery, but right now we're back and everything is working perfectly. So please comment down below and let me know if you're interested. And if you've also used any of the products I mentioned, please comment down below. I'm sure a sister or a brother want to be encouraged by your testimony or maybe your review on any of the products I just mentioned. I hope the video was quite educative and entertaining as well. I'll see you on my next video.
Hey everybody! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye!
Don't forget that God loves you more than I do. And bye.